Good morning, Lions. Today is Wednesday, October 5th, 2022. Welcome to another awesome day of learning here at Lemoore Elementary. We are so excited you're here, and we know it's going to be a great day because you are going to roar like a lion. Respect, on task, achieve, and responsibility. All right, ladies and gentlemen, today's weather calls for high sunny skies and a high of 94. The yellow air quality flag is flying, which means the air is moderate for everyone. Now, yesterday it was supposed to be 91, and I think it might have got 90. So let's hope it doesn't get all the way to 94, because it'd be nice to have the same weather we had yesterday. It was a nice day. All right, lunch, you guys. I talked to Miss Clara yesterday, and unfortunately, some of the items that are on the menu we're not going to be able to get. So at this point, telling you what's on the menu, it may or may not happen. So at this point, it's whenever you go in, it'll let you know what you're having for lunch today, because I don't want to disappoint anybody and they get there and it's like, that's not what Miss Garcia said, or that was not what was on the menu. We're having trouble getting things, including, I know, the little Smokies. So we don't know when we'll get those again. Yesterday may have been the last day for those, even if I don't even think everybody got them. So just know that we're having trouble getting things. So sometimes things will not be on the menu. So I don't want to announce what's on it and you guys get disappointed. Okay, Lions? So from now on, it's just Cook's Choice. All right. Birthdays. We actually have no birthdays today. All right, Lions. Attendance yesterday, we had 25 absences, 26 tardies, 518 out of 543. That was 95%. Much better, Lions. Classes with perfect attendance: Barcelos, Cedillo, Diaz, Holland, Guzman, Lopez, and Mosqueda. Lions, we are going to continue with some of our attendance incentives that we started for September. Since September was Attendance Awareness Month, we're going to keep going so that we get the class that has the best attendance for the month, and we'll have the class that gets the most perfect attendance days in the month, and then the other prizes that Miss Bisfram has, which are when you get 10 as a class and 20 and 30 and all of those things. So we will continue to keep track of that, and for Mr. Charrington's class and Miss Loida's class, we will be getting your guys' prizes for September by the end of the month. Or by the end of the week. Sorry, by the end of the week. All right. We also have the football and volleyball practice again today. Tomorrow is our game. They told us we would have our uniforms ready. We bought new ones. They're supposed to be ready, so Miss Amy is on that, and we will figure that out. If not, if they for some reason aren't here by game time, we will switch it up and give you one of the Lemoore Elementary uniforms we do have. We might have to piecemeal it. But here's the thing, Lions. All we have is the jersey. You need to bring your own black shorts. Okay? Black shorts, everybody. All the players, volleyball and football. Black shorts. Have them ready. And we'll give you the uniform top. Okay. Today is Seabeds Day. And what that means is that for the state of California, we put in all of our information, and you get a piece of paper that's orange that you take home. It's a federal survey. You take it home, you bring it back. The class that brings it back first gets a prize. It may be donuts, don't tell anybody. So the first class to have all those papers brought back, we will get you donuts. Don't tell anybody. Okay. Also, Lions, food drive, our leadership. So we have a Lemoore Elementary Leadership Club. Mr. B runs that. And they are going to be working on putting together a food drive. It does not start this week. It starts on the 17th of October. Okay? So in a couple weeks, and we'll go into November 18th, and we'll get notes for you at home, but we are working on a food drive to go to Lemoore Christian Aid. So we'll be working on that. Also, on the 14th of October, Miss Garcia had the date wrong originally, 14th of October, which is a week from Friday, Liberty Middle School will be having a trick-or-treat event. All the elementary schools are going to be there. We're going to be there. We're going to be handing out candy. There'll be games and prizes, food vendors. It's a big, fun day, and all you have to do is show up and have some fun. You can dress up in your costume and do a little trick-or-treating at Liberty Middle School. So more information to come on that, Lions. Also, today is the last day for student council elections, so make sure you have voted. All right, and next week starts benchmark testing for 2nd through 6th grade. So we are super excited. It'll let us know how much you've learned so far, Lions. So all you have to do is your very best. If you don't know something, you try it, you mark your answer, and you move on. All right, Lions? All right, I think that is all I have for announcements. Talking about cafeteria behavior and being on task. What I noticed yesterday, as students were in line on the white line to go into the cafeteria, some of you were off task. Okay? That means you were turned around talking to your friends, you're messing around, you're trying to give each other flat tires. Like, that's not being on task. When you're in line to get into the cafeteria, you stay on the white line, you follow the person ahead of you, and you keep the line moving. The fact that you can keep that line moving and not leave a big space means you're on task. Your job, your task, is to get into the cafeteria, put in your number, get your food, sit down. Because the longer that takes, the longer your grade level is in the cafeteria. You have to be in the cafeteria for 20 minutes. That is a law by the state of California. So the longer it takes you to get in there, Lions, the less playtime you have. So remember, when you're off task and you're not completing the task that you were assigned, well, there are consequences on the other side, and that means less recess time. All right, so that's how we show to be on task in the cafeteria. All right, Lion, and here is our joke of the day. What did the Dalmatian say after lunch? That hit the spot. Right? Dalmatians have spots. And we usually say that when our bellies are full. All right. All right, Lion, remember, our Wednesday word of the day is on task. Right? That's the O in roar. Are you on task when you're in the cafeteria line, ready to go in the cafeteria? I'd like to see you be on task today. All right, Lions, that is all I have for this wonderful Wednesday. Remember, we are one school, and we have one goal. That's to learn every day. Success is not an accident, it's a choice, and I want you to make that choice today. All right, Lions, it's now time for the flag salute.